get your punishment when you show me your crumbs, and it's not a spell or a curse you put on me. Oh, the way you make me smile so tenderly, how I wish it was, how I wish it was. Wish it was your temper you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing, I swear. I thought the time would tell. My sins would provoke you to breathe. Not a chance. I mean, whatever happened to fiber romance? How I wish it was, how I wish it was, I wish it was. Wish it was those dishes you were throwing. Damn you for being so easygoing, I swear. Alright, why'd you do that? You're all like, why'd I do what? I'm just sitting here, everything's fine, I'm just catching a show. Do you want to talk about something? We can totally talk about something if you want. That's just it. Why'd you have to go ahead and do nothing? Oh, I won't be my sins would provoke you to raise some that line. Don't try to tell me that an action's not a crime. I mean, can't you see what kind of seed you're sowing? Damn you for